Welcome for today's class of history, or today's homework question is, first you all can take down the question. Give two reasons for the following statement. Okay, so you'll have to give the two reasons for this following statement. So what is this statement? The National Assembly of 1848 at Frankfurt had to be dissolved. So you all have to give a reasons why it has to be dissolved. Okay, so I've given you all the answer over here. Your homework question answer it is. The National Assembly of 1848 at Frankfurt had to be dissolved because, first point you all can take down, the assembly requested Frederick William IV of Prussia to be the emperor of the German Federation. So this is your first point. Okay, now moving towards the second point. Okay, only 2 points we'll have to write down, right? He refused since he believed in the theory of the divine rights of the king and therefore wouldn't accept authority from the common masses. Okay, so you can take down the answer of your homework question, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.